Okay. Okay, like what is data integration in the sense like whenever we will do the ETL process, we will call it as data integration. Okay, ETL process. Okay, ETL process in the sense like extraction, extraction, transformation, transformation, and loading. Okay, like extraction in the sense we will extract the data from different sources like files, databases, and JSON. In files also we will be having different types of extractions like JSON files, Excel files, everything like JSON files, Excel files, XML files, like this. Okay. Transformation in the sense how we will apply the business rules. The business rules in the sense suppose I want employee salary, I want employees whose salary greater than 10,000, like that. This is how like this is one kind of business use case. So this is transformations like we will based on the business use cases we will apply the transformation. Loading in the sense like data loading into like we can load data into SQL or files or anything like or anything in the sense like any type of files like Excel file, CSV file, text file, like that. Okay. Okay, extraction. Example, what I can do is like CSV, JSON, XML, XML, MS SQL, Oracle, etc. Like this. Like loading, like a transformation in the sense business use cases. Transformations in the sense business use cases. Okay, business use cases. Example, example. Okay, extraction. Just reading the data from multiple sources, reading the data from multiple sources, and transformation and loading, like loading, what we can say, loading the data into multiple sources. Okay, okay, loading or writing, writing, writing data into multiple sources. Okay, like you can copy this like this. This is how like data integration process works. Like why Talend? Like why Talend in the sense Talend is very cheaper. Why Talend? Why Talend is it is cheaper. Like cost is less cost. Like when you compare to Informatica and when you compare to Informatica or Ab initio or any other tool, Talend is very cheaper than that and very faster also. Okay, and it is faster. Data load will will happen in seconds. Will happen faster, not seconds. Will happen faster. Like I can give guarantee like 5,000 records, 5,000 records in 3 seconds, like that. Like that, 5,000 records will get load into 3 seconds. Okay. It is cheaper, Talent is cheaper and faster, and it is open source. And it is open source. Like Talent is an open source. You can go for any online and like you can search for Talent download and you can get open source version, and there is some other version called licensed version also. Most of the most of the component most of the what most of the development Talent is also like in open source, and like only they have given in license, like most part of the license Talent licensed version in open source, almost 80% is 80% of the Talent licensed version in open source, and it is easy to use. and it is easy to use. When you go for Informatica, like it is having four screens: Power Center, Designer, or a repository or monitoring. Like we will be having the four screens, but in Talent, all the ETL process will be happen in one screen, and it is very easy to use. That's why we are going for the Talent. And coming to this lecture, you are going to learn basically like from talent introduction and the tool overview, how the tool will be, and also what are all the component, like what is a designer, what is metadata, and what is a job, and what is a component, and everything uh, what is a component, and also like what is a component and what are all the components. May basically in these lectures you are going to mostly work on files and databases. Okay. Mostly you are going to work on files and databases, and meanwhile some transformations, how to transform the data like this. It's basically first what I will do: extract, I will transform, and I will load it like this. Like this in this lecture, all the process will going to happen in ETL wise. So this is basically about talent. Let's explore the talent tool from now onwards. Okay.